many people say, I want this, but I want this, and I want this. You know what? If you are wanting something, you are actually transmitting the information that you haven't got it. You actually cannot want anything. You must already be what it is that you want, because that's when you'll start, obviously being the master manifestor that I am. This is my whole life. This is the way I live my life. But you can only bring things in or attract in that of which is inside of you. And if you are projecting out that, oh, but I want to do this and I'm going to do that and I will wait for this, it means, and I said this to somebody the other day, it's like waiting for this train to come, and you're waiting at the train station and it's just like, yeah, but I know the train is coming. But how come the train hasn't stopped? It's because you're in the bus station. You're sending out messages, but you're in the wrong place.